Look at that. Today we're making a date caramel babka and it's so delicious. Imagine this really soft, buttery dough swirled with a nutty caramel. It's one of those recipes you see and they look very impressive and you think, oh, I could never make that. But in reality, it's not that hard to make. It's just a dough and a filling. You put them together, you bake them, and somehow this golden beauty pops up. Date caramel has to be the star of this show. It's so rich and creamy and decadent, and it just has that delicious date flavor swirled all throughout the dough. A lot of babka recipes will use a stand mixer, but I really wanted to stay away from that to keep the recipe as accessible as possible. Even if that means you'll have to knead this really sticky dough by hand, I promise you the final result will be worth it. Now look at this gorgeously smooth dough. It's so tender and so easy to roll. We're gonna stuff it all with our delicious date caramel. These fruits, not only they bring their deliciously sweet flavor to the babka filling, but also a very inviting, gooey and jammy texture. This particular filling is so easy to swirl in between those tender, buttery dough layers. We brush everything with a freshly made sugar syrup for some extra moisture and enjoy.
Delicious.